Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be guiding you through the application process to British Management University using our online application system. Let's begin. First, you need to create a BMU account. So, go to our application portal and click on Register. After entering your basic information, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Next, it's time to choose the program you'd like to apply for. For example, let's look at the Foundation program. Find it on the list and simply click the Apply button. After that, you will begin the application form. Start by selecting your program again and then fill in your personal information, including your name, date of birth, and passport or ID. After that, provide your contact details and current address. Then you will be asked to upload proof of English proficiency. If you have IELTS or TOEFL, go ahead and upload it. But if you don't, no worries. You can choose the option to take the BMU English test, which is part of our entrance exam. Finally, you will need to enter details about your previous education. Before submitting, make sure to double-check all your information so it's correct. Finally, click the Submit button and that's it. Your application is officially complete. So don't wait, apply now and take the first step towards your future. We can't wait to welcome you at BMU.